When Google launched the Pixel 10 earlier this year with MagSafe-style magnetic wireless charging, it looked like the start of a new Android era. Google called it PixelSnap, and fans immediately began speculating that other Android brands, especially OnePlus, would follow suit. But it turns out OnePlus is taking a slightly different path this time. The upcoming OnePlus 15, which officially launches globally on November 13th, isn't jumping on the magnetic charging trend just yet. Now, don't get it twisted, this phone still packs some serious power. The OnePlus 15 comes with a massive 7300 mAh battery, 120-watt wired charging, and 50-watt wireless charging. That combination alone is impressive and makes it one of the fastest charging Android phones around. But here's the catch. Unlike the Pixel 10 or iPhones with MagSafe, the OnePlus 15 doesn't have built-in magnets. If you want that smooth magnetic snap-to-charger experience, you'll need to buy a magnetic case. So what's the reason behind this decision? According to Rudolph Shu, Senior Product Marketing Manager at OnePlus, it's all about space and weight. At a recent OnePlus 15 pre-launch briefing, Shu explained that magnets take up valuable room inside the device and add noticeable weight. The space inside the phone is very limited. You already have the wireless coil, which takes a lot of space. If we add magnets, we'd have to make the battery smaller, and that's something we don't want. There are always trade-offs. You give and take. And honestly, the trade-off here makes sense. The 7300 mAh battery inside the OnePlus 15 is 22% larger than the 6000 mAh cell found in the OnePlus 13, and a whopping 40% larger than the 5200 mAh unit inside the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Apple doesn't reveal official battery sizes, but reports suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a roughly 5088 mAh cell. Again, smaller than what OnePlus is offering. On paper, this means the OnePlus 15 should easily outlast its rivals in endurance tests. Shu also pointed out that even Samsung, one of OnePlus's biggest competitors, takes a similar approach. Samsung phones don't have built-in Qi 2 magnetic charging either, but their cases do. So technically, they're Qi 2 ready. OnePlus plans to do something similar. Give users the freedom to choose. With the official OnePlus magnetic case, you can still enjoy all the perks, like snapping the phone onto a car mount, stand, or charger, without sacrificing the big battery that gives the phone its insane longevity. At the end of the day, OnePlus seems to be betting that users care more about battery life than built-in magnets, and that's probably a fair gamble. While magnetic convenience is nice, most users would rather have a phone that powers through an entire day and then some. So, what do you think? Did OnePlus make the right call here? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. And apart from that massive battery, OnePlus has also introduced some exciting new gaming tech with the OnePlus 15. You can check out all the details in this video.